What is up, guys? It's Fixing Family here, and today we are doing a screen replacement on the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So yeah, guys, got the Samsung Galaxy Fold here. We're going to go ahead and replace the front screen. As you can see, it's cracked. I have my new screen right here. This thing is insanely delicate and super thin, so we're going to have to be very careful because I'm going to try and save the screen. Before we get started, I have a new desk. So this is the first video I'm going to make on my new desk. Alright, let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, there we go. Let's go ahead and let's get started. There we go. We got it off. Now, let's see if it still works. All right. It still works. That is awesome. So, that means we can go ahead and keep this screen. Heck yeah. Super happy about that. Let it boot up. Make sure the touch still works. Yep, touch still works perfectly. Awesome. Let's go ahead and turn it off. There we go, powered it off. And let's take the screen off. We have a little door right here. Go ahead and pop that up. And there we go. Now the screen is unplugged. All right, let's go ahead. Let's plug in our new screen. Make sure it works. We'll put that piece on there just to make sure. All right, and here we go. All right. Heck yeah. So far, so good. All right, it's on. Touch looks like it's working. All right, we'll let it start up. All right, touch is working great. Yep, touch is working perfectly. I'm going to make sure the front camera is working. Yep, front camera is working. Sick. All right, let's go ahead and turn this back off. And let's finish this up. All right. Let's go ahead and take the screen off so we can clean up the surrounding. There we go. Let's put it off to the side. And let's go ahead and let's clean around the surroundings. I'm actually gonna take this piece off the old one and put it on the new one, just to make sure we have everything from the old one. Never mind, that fell apart like instantly when I tried to pull at it. All right. We will go ahead and just use our own adhesive. So I have some stuff right here. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off. And I will try my best to make super small places that I can put the adhesive at. Here we go. give it a wipe down real quick. All right, here we go. Alright, let me make sure this powers on first. Yep. Alright, here we go. We are going to fit the screen. Alright, everything looks good. Make sure it's all pressed down. We test out the camera. Yep, front camera. Alright, and I think we are done. Let's go ahead, pull off the film. Whoops. And there we go. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.